25%. 25%. That's the number of SBI PO 2019 vacancies that were filled by Oliveboard students. How did we achieve such high results? More than 80% of the questions were from our live classes. Live practice of 2000 plus questions in 45 plus live sessions. Our classes of SBI PO 2019 generated close to 5 lakh plus views. This year we are raising the bars. We are taking the challenge to fill 40% of SBI PO 2020 vacancies with our students and help them to achieve their dream banking job. Join us in this mission.